The American flag, also known as Stars and Stripes, or Old Glory, is a symbol of the United States' identity, unity, and struggle for independence. Its evolution reflects the nation's growth and changing ideals. Origins. The flag originated during the American Revolution, 1775-1783, when the 13 American colonies fought for independence from Great Britain. Colonists needed a unifying symbol to rally behind, both on the battlefield and in diplomatic contexts. The Continental Congress passed the flag resolution on June 14, 1777, stating, "Resolved, that the flag of the United States be 13 stripes, alternate red and white, that the Union be 13 stars, white in a blue field, representing a new constellation." The 13 stripes and stars symbolize the original 13 colonies. Colors held significance: red for valor, white for purity, and blue for vigilance and justice. Evolution of the design. The original arrangement of stars was not fixed. Stars were added as new states joined the Union. Early flags varied widely in design, with different star patterns and stripe arrangements. By 1818, Congress standardized the flag to 13 stripes and a star for each state, with a star added for every new state. Symbolism. The flag quickly became more than a banner. It represented freedom and independence, patriotism and unity, the sacrifices of soldiers in war. It has flown in key historical moments, such as the War of 1812, the Civil War, and both World Wars, cementing its role as a national emblem. Betsy Ross and the flag. Betsy Ross, 1752-1836, is often credited with sewing the first American flag, though historical evidence is limited and debated. Early life-born Elizabeth Griscom in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Married John Ross, a upholsterer, and later ran her own upholstery business, specializing in sewing flags, banners, and other textiles. The legend. According to family tradition, in 1776, George Washington, Robert Morris, and George Ross visited Betsy Ross and asked her to create a flag with 13 stars in a circle. She allegedly suggested the 5-pointed star instead of the 6-pointed star, arguing it was easier to make. Historical debate. There is no definitive contemporary evidence that Betsy Ross designed the first flag. The story was popularized by her grandson, William Canby, in 1870, nearly a century after the flag's creation. Nevertheless, she is honored as a patriotic symbol, and the story reflects the role of everyday Americans in the Revolutionary War. Legacy. Betsy Ross has become an enduring figure in American folklore and history. June 14th is celebrated as Flag Day, in part commemorating her contributions to the American flag. Conclusion. While the American flag evolved through legislative and historical developments, and Betsy Ross's role may blend legend with fact, both remain central symbols of American independence, unity, and identity. Together, they represent the ideals and struggles of a nation striving for freedom,